From the company VARSK is a 12-inch cordless battery-operated 20-volt weed whacker, 2-in-1 landscape trimming and edge trimmer. We're going to open up the product, show you how nicely it's packaged, assembly is required, and show a demonstration of weed whacking. These are the parts coming out of the product. You get extra spools and more. 2 20-volt batteries, 1 dedicated charger with the DIN plug to plug in to the battery and charge up for a couple hours per battery. The trim cover, the motor arm and controller, spools, and wheel assembly, the hardware and instruction guide. The batteries are charging, and when they fully charge, we have an LED indicator by the button over here, and the charging port plug. Press to release and insert. 2000 milliamp battery, 220 watt rated machine, 8700 RPM. As we assemble, we simply stretch out the cable, place in, push in, and lock down each of the posts. Repeat for the next one as well. Carefully secure down. Clockwise is tightening. With the wheel, simply slide on. Lock into place. The locking mechanism presses and adjusts the head. When extending the guard, locking into the tab as we pull, and taking the shield and sliding and locking into place. With an optional screwdriver, the 2 long bolts lock the shield down like so. The weed whacker comes with additional spools with an arrow. Simply pull off the cover by squeezing, lifting up, and placing out the old spool by grabbing, removing from the eyelet, releasing, slipping through new spool, snapping into place, and placing the cover on to secure down. And we have a spring-loaded mechanism with a notch that's going to lock into these areas. The wheels will roll on the floor for edge guard, the guide. Adjusting down the head to trimming the grass. The wheels are not used or the edge guard. We have a locking mechanism for the handle that could be dropped down in different increments and angles. On both sides, you simply just press. We have, here's a safety trigger. The head of the base and the tube rotate 90-degree button. Rotates the unit by pressing in and rotating. Locks into place. And now we're ready to go and use our unit once our batteries are charged. And when we store the unit, it has a keyhole to hang up on the wall. When using the unit, simply slide in a fresh battery, locks into place. The battery light will come on and shut down. When ready to use, just squeeze the trigger when the safety button is released. A demonstration showing you the unit running. The automatic line feeder, no stopping of the machine, and it has a blade that will cut automatically when needed. It is a 12-inch diameter for your trimming needs. Adjust the angle you desire by the number increments, as well as the handle, and rotate for comfort 90 degrees. Ergonomic grip, rubber handle, large throttle. Comes with 10 feet of thread. Check online for further detail about replacement parts. So we have the weed whacker, batteries in, And we simply pull the trigger. And it cuts the weeds. Now, if I wanted to edge, I would use the wheel and I would edge like so. We'll cut some more grass right over here. A nice close-up look at the weed whacking.